Yo, what's good? It's your boy Geno 315, man, back again, another sneaker review video for y'all. And today we have the UNC Jordan 6 joints that are coming out next year. I believe the release date is in March. I think it's March 6th or something like that. But anyway, got these ones early from our boy Trader Joe's. He came through, sent this pair over so I could take a good look at it and show you guys what we are getting next year. Early review for y'all, and I like getting reviews early so I can show y'all what the shoe is like. All right, so before I get started breaking down the shoe, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think about the shoe, about the video. Go ahead and follow me on that Instagram as well, and follow me on any other social media platforms. UA Shoe, this is an educational video just showing y'all what we got. I think this shoe is gonna go quickly. I think that it's gonna increase in resale prices astronomically. So if you have a chance to get a pair, grab them and hold on to them. You might be able to make a little cash if that's what you like to do. Me, I like to wear my shoes. I don't like to resell them. So projected resale prices on the screen, and this is subject to change. It's not gonna stay the same. It's gonna change once the shoe actually comes out. But right now, this is what it is on StockX and GOAT. So you guys can go there if you want to see some different images, okay? So let's jump into the shoe. Now, here's the thing. This shoe resembles the Carmine. This is basically a UNC Carmine. So I brought the Carmines out just to have a reference point. As you can see, this shoe distinctively resembles the Carmine 6, just a different color. You know what I'm saying? It's the same shoe, just a different color. But there's also a little bit more of a difference on the shoe as well. So breaking down the shoe, I really don't need to go heavily and break the shoe down, besides tell you that it's UNC blue instead of red. We got the blue in all the spaces that the Carmine has. We got black where the Carmine has the black. Now this is where I got confused, because I thought that this shoe was gonna have dark blue here. Wherever the black is on the Carmine, I thought that it would be obsidian instead of black. So that might be subject to change. I'm not sure if that's actually accurate. And it kind of doesn't make sense, because the pull tab is obsidian and the Jumpman on the tongue here is obsidian as well. That's not black, but everything else is black. So maybe this is kind of like a play on both. Another distinctive part that's different from the Carmine is the white leather. This white leather has a lot of different texture and grade to it. You know what I mean? It's still kind of flat, but you got a little tumbling in there. This leather has a little personality to it versus the Carmine leather here. This leather is just flat. Also, on the heel of the shoe, the Carmine has the Nike Air versus this having the college, like, you know, playoff team type whatever. You know what I mean? It's got that tag on it, just like the University Blue Jordan 4s, and I believe the Oregon Green or the Green Apple 5s or something like that. This tag is on those. So that's another distinct difference between the two. The tongue of the shoe has this kind of like Argyle type of pattern to it or whatever. And I do like that. And this is a better look at it in the back. I do like that. That reminds me of the Bordeaux's a lot. It's just now in the UNC colorway. I can jive with that. I like that. I like that they changed it up. Those are the differences really with the shoe that you're really gonna see against the Carmines, besides like the main color being a different color. Outsole of the shoe, love that. I do like that a lot. I like that light blue there. Overall, I think the shoe looks great. It does fit true to size. If I had to rate the shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, I like this one a lot. I'm not a big blue guy, but this one is hard, and I like the Carmines a lot, so I'm gonna rate them right up there with the Carmines, 9.5. In terms of materials used in the construction, I'm gonna go with also a 9.5. I think the shoe's hard, and I remember when they first released images of the shoe, and everybody went crazy. So this is going to be one to get, okay? Make sure you guys keep your eyes on this one, all right? So let's jump to that on foot, all right? You guys stay humble. You guys stay blessed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. So another trip. Again, forced out of my crib, this time for my niece's birthday, but we are at the Kalahari in the Poconos, and we have this huge suite. I'm gonna take you through the suite, and then we're gonna go through it, but anyway, we're here at the Kalahari Resort. It's like an indoor water park, theme park type joint. So I'm gonna take y'all through the suite. We got this humongous suite. I'm gonna try and find a spot to do an on-foot for the UNC sixes at some point. But you know, the kids, they gotta play and they gotta get in the water and all that nonsense. But I'm gonna show y'all around real quick. Okay, so change of plans. I was gonna show you guys the actual water park section of this place. However, because it's a lot of water and it's a lot of kids, and I know how YouTube is with kids, they don't let you really, you know, show kids on the YouTube and all of that other stuff. But because it's like that with the kids, I'm just gonna kind of use the Kalahari website's photos to show you guys what the water park section is like, and I'll just try and get some on-foot stuff around the place. That's the best I can do for that, at least. But the suite is fire though. You know what's crazy about this place? The hallways go on literally forever. They just keep going. I feel like I've been walking for like 10 minutes, honestly. I'm still walking, trying to find civilization. I really do not know how it's possible that these hallways are this long. Makes no sense. It's like you hit one corner, and then you hit another corner, and then you hit another corner, and you're still walking. You know, it's really confusing when the exit signs on the ceiling are going both ways. There's exit signs going that way, but then there's exit signs going that way. I have no idea where I am. As I'm trying to find a good spot to do it on foot in this place. There's a lot of little things that you could use to do it on foot. However, there's just a lot of people sitting in random areas. A lot of kids, lots and lots of kids, because this really is a kids resort water park type of place. I'm trying to find a spot. I'm trying to find something that I can use for the on foot, because I can't get into the water park. There's too many kids, you know what I'm saying? Just way too many kids around. A lot of music playing. I'm trying not to get copyright stuff on it, you know what I mean? So we're gonna see what we could do, but I mean, I might just have to pick a random spot, just do something, I don't know. Okay, y'all, so here's the deal. I can't really get a good on foot out and about because there's too many kids, there's too much music, there's too much commotion. It's just crazy out there, and I'm really not trying to deal with it. So I think what I'm gonna do is just do an on foot inside the suite, and then just wrap it up from there. We'll do something like that, and then I'm gonna go out and get something to eat. So, I mean, it's a water park for kids. What else do I expect, right? Okay, so video is done. I really like these ones. I think just as equally as I like the Carmines. I think the Carmines are sick. It's a classic shoe. This one, they did a good job. I can approve. The Carmines got a little bit more boldness, a little bit more pizzazz to them. But these are smooth. We got more videos coming up. This will probably be my last traveling video for a while. And then we're gonna keep it pushing. Next video coming. Y'all stay up.